tell you it's a radius? Yeah, it's hard. You can't tell, but if you look at the end, this is a perfect circle. So a circle has a radius. Has the big thing here. The ulna has a U in it. There's actually a depression making a U. So ulna is the top, radius is the bottom. Hard part is how am I going to tell which side they're on? Let's look at the ulna. Okay, anyone tell me which side of your body that ulna is from? Is it a right or a left? It's a left. And the way you're going to know that is there's a cutout right here. And that's where the radius is going to stick on it, like that. And the radius is always where your thumb is. So if you hold yourself anatomically, the radius bone is always lateral, where your thumb would be. So for this to go here and this to be my elbow, that's a left. The right would be the reverse. So on your radius and ulna, put them together and try to make the thumb line up where you're laterally. There's other little tricks. See, we got a head and a neck. Radial tuberosity is a thing right here that bumps up on the radius. Then we have a styloid process. Where is that?
The bottom.
The bottom. This should be pointy, like a pen. That's the styloid process. You can feel that right at the base of your thumb. That's this bump right here. That's your styloid process of the radius. It makes your wrist joint. And then the ulnar notch. Well, you see that on this one? You can't. There's a little notch in there where that bone would go there. So you have to look at a real one to see the, yeah. So on the side. Yeah, so it's actually this one right, yeah, right there. Okay. So let's do the ulna. Head, neck, I think. Okay, olecranon process. Which part of that bone is the olecranon?
The U that goes in the fossa.
Yes, the elbow part. This is the bony part of your elbow. Right there. That's the olecranon process that goes in the fossa of your humerus. So can anyone guess where my coronoid process would be? The crown in front. Corona. The crown in the front. That goes in the coronoid fossa. So you got the olecranon in back, the coronoid in the front. Make sure you put coronoid, not conoid. It's corona.
I'm sorry, which part is the
The back. The pointy elbow part. Let's see. Trochlear notch is your elbow. That's the U. And styloid process is the writing utensil at the end. So both of these bones have a styloid. One's on the ulna, one's at the radius for your wrist. Make sense? All right, let's do carpals.